Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on drawing cartoons, including this new one, Learn to Draw Cartoons. I want to show you how to draw this one today. It's a fun character with sunglasses. Any character with sunglasses has a kind of a cool look. So let's do this. On this one, we're going to give him some chin stubble, pointy nose, and some flipped up hair. So this should be fun to do. And it's based on a simple construction. We are going to start this way with a little bit of a flat top and a very tapered and narrow head, like so. Thin neck, and we'll put the center line down here and go right through the bottom of the chin, right through the tip of the chin. And the eyes, the eye line will come right about here. But we don't have really an eye line because there's no eyes. We're going to do it with the sunglasses. So we have to be able to have a top and a bottom for the sunglasses. So we actually have two eye lines. So when we hit this with sunglasses, we can make sure that they're even on both sides because we have a guideline on top and a guideline on bottom. Here we go. I'll darken that in so you can see it because I know I was going a little sketchy there. So from the bridge of the nose down, we'll have a little bit of a pointy nose for this guy. And kind of a self-confident smile there because it kicks up on one side. We'll lift this side up, the smile, the eyebrow on this side up. But this one is pushing up. And to push up, it will actually pull the other side down. So this one has to go down. Very few exceptions. That's just a physical thing on how faces work. One side goes up, the other side goes down. Okay, so now let's bring the ears in, and they're going to go just a little bit below the eyes. That's true in cartooning. In real life, the ears go to just about where the eyebrows are, a little higher. But for a funny look, in cartoons we usually have the ears a little bit on the low side. So let's bring in a hairline right here. His hair's going to go up and not flop over his forehead. We still have to show the hairline, and that's this right here. Comes right to the center line, and then the side comes out and back, and we can bump this out a little bit, and bump that out a little bit, and erase this, and erase the top. Like so, just kind of flip it up. It can be very random. You can fix it later if you like, or clean it up. A few little stubs here. I'm going to give him a crew shirt, crew collar, and a little bit of an indication of the ridge of the ear. Put a little shading on that so it all seems to come together. And a little shading here so it ties into the hair. I'll just darken this a bit now so it looks more like sunglasses, sunglasses being very dark. And let's not forget the arms of the sunglasses. And like that. Alright, so there's a fun little character that you can draw, and if you want, you can send it to me on my Facebook page. I'll take a look at it, and I'll try to get right back to you with a comment. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe. New videos every Monday. Bye-bye.